Hey guys, wanted to share a couple of products that we are kind of focusing on this month in our specials, our special offers. First is our bathroom cleaner. This is a fantastic product specifically made for designed for your bathroom and for your surfaces there. What you'll find with this 12-ounce bottle is that literally a couple of drops starting in your toilet bowl will do an amazing job cleaning not only the rings and the surface there, but there are also some light descaling agents in here too, ingredients in here that will help with that ongoing scale buildup that you might have in your toilet as well. The other awesome thing is that in addition to cleaning your toilet bowl, this can also be diluted in about 7 ounces of water, 1 ounce of the bathroom cleaner to 7 ounces of water, put it in a spray bottle, and that is your kind of multi-purpose, multi-surface cleaner that you can use within your bathroom, whether it is on your porcelain countertop, your sink, your fixtures, the top of the toilet, in the bathtub, your tile, etc. So this is a great value for a product as well. It does have some of those light descaling ingredients, and as you guys know, descaling means that it's breaking down kind of that mineral buildup or that soap scum buildup. So we don't recommend using this product on stone surfaces because this can potentially degrade that surface. So best on surfaces, particularly like porcelain that you might have in your bathroom. So great value, lots of different uses in your bathroom for this guy, multifunctional. I like that. One product under the sink takes care of a lot. And the other product we have here has, I know, been kind of a sleeper success, which is our EnviroScrubs. These are little squares that have our best-selling Norwex EnviroCloth material on one side with our microsilver backlock agent. And then on the other side, it has this scrubbing material that allows you to get those extra kind of dug in or sticky materials off of just about any surface. And it's in this really gorgeous marine color, kind of a marine blue color. It also has our tag so that it's easy to hang up when you're done and ready to dry it. And they also have recycled microfiber yarn in them too. So this is a great duo in your bathroom, and these are great also in your kitchen.